everyone, it's Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We have another sketchbook video with another cool, interesting hat. So we're going from Christmas to Elmo.
Love Elmo.
Yeah, I love Elmo too. I got a really good, so Emily.
Yes.
Brizzi from
Queens.
Okay, we'll take it. So Italian style, and we're gonna figure out the name of the sketchbook video together in this sketchbook video.
Okay.
All right, let's check it out. So now Emily's sketchbook video is not done yet, but what I meant to say is that Emily's sketchbook video is not done yet. It's pretty awesome. So a page like this page down over here, from your imagination.
Yeah. The character was from something, but I didn't use a reference.
Do you like the smaller sketchbook versus the 8x10?
Yes.
What do you like so much better about it?
The big pages intimidate me, I guess. I don't know. But like when I switched halfway through the first few months of second semester because I didn't like the bigness.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a Q&A with you.
Right.
Do you regret, that's a really great page, I like that a lot. Do you regret having to work in a bigger sketchbook in the fall and spring? Do you wish you could have used a smaller one?
No, I think it's good practice to have different sizes. Like when I was in high school, I used a lot of the pocket sketchbook so I didn't get in trouble during class while I was drawing.
Okay.
But that really hindered me because I got used to drawing so small and everything sort of ended up looking the same. So I think it's good to try different size sketchbooks.
Yes, that gold character is really great.
Thank you. It's for story pitch.
Mechanical pencil?
Yeah.
And what about this?
This is a chicken.
Is that little skinny pen that you told me about?
Yeah, these are the Pentel in size 3.
Excellent. Your life drawings today in class were coming out really good.
Thank you.
And this is life drawing too?
Yeah. I was having a bad day in the big sketch pad.
Okay. Today you were having a good day.
Yeah.
Wow, you do draw. You can draw really tiny.
Yeah. From all the years of pocket sketchbooks.
Love that page a lot. I like the thin line on that face, and then you're putting it right next to that really thick, powerful character. The thick line is phenomenal. Good. Well, what's this for?
This was a present for a friend. I drew our characters and our anime characters that we like and her favorite TV show. So it's from Gravity Falls, that scene, but it's characters that we like, so I drew it for her.
Excellent with the line, lots of energy, good job, love it. Powerful shape, excellent. Wow, that's funky. Oh, and that is so tiny. That is so cool. That is a great gem of a page. Mechanical. Do you like still drawing in a mechanical pencil?
For this I used a softer pencil, not a mechanical one. I don't mind either way. I like things that can give me sharp lines with pen.
That is crazy cool.
Garfield.
Maybe I should come up with the word for Italian that means crazy. For that chicken leg character.
Oh, beautiful. I love chicken.
Wow, so are you still drawing some of your nightmares?
I haven't had a lot recently, but a few of them are, which I guess is a good thing.
I gotta say, these are really nice. These are really nice drawings. The shapes are very different, very unique, very authentic. Another spectacular little page. Press that page flat if you can. Yeah. Wow. Excellent. How long did this entire sketchbook take you?
A month.
And how long do you draw? Each day, or do you skip days?
I skip some, I try not to skip any days, but some days only have half a page.
Mm-hmm.
I try to draw every day.
Wow.
The page I did specifically for you.
Thank you. That's how I felt last week in class. Wow, look at that character. Again, the shapes of what you draw are very different, which is excellent.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you. Oof.
I am eventually going to buy one of those pens.
Yeah, I like the thinner lines.
That's another crazy. Oh wow, look at the shapes. Good. What pen was that one?
That page?
The watercolor gray line.
Oh, this
Yeah.
was a water marker, like a water marker I had. I don't really remember where it was from, but I found it and I did the drawings of my classmates. Color theory.
Love it. Very good. Okay, hold on now. That's a really crazy interesting page. Good. Wow. Okay, little hints of blue mixed in there.
Yeah.
Lots of energy. You have gotten so much better from that skirt from when you had that first sketchbook, as I'm tripping over my words.
Thank you. Yeah, I definitely feel like I've improved more from that sketchbook to this sketchbook.
Yeah, the first one in the fall semester, you were kind of finding your SVA sea legs.
Yeah, that was a really hard one.
Wow. Again, the shapes that you draw are very different. Very good. Are you happy with this one?
Yeah, I really like this sketchbook.
Yeah, me too.
Lynn drew that page.
Lynn? Okay.
Yeah, we swapped sketchbooks.
Love it. Oh my god, here's another gem of a page on the left there. I like a lot when you do the light and shade with the pen and ink line. Good stuff.
That's it.
Oh my god. Excellent. Emily, I want to thank you so much for sharing, and we're going to post your social media right. We're going to post your social media right below the video. Thanks for watching.